On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at a Fox Factory DPX2 rear shock. But before we take this out of the package, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. That way you can see more videos in the future, including things like features and weight, which is exactly what we're gonna check out here. So I'm pulling this out of the package, and we should definitely check out this DPX2 shock. This thing is bicycle bling at its finest, but the nice thing is it also has good performance to go along with it. So the DPX2 here is going to be a really neat factory rear shock, which means that this is going to be set up with their Kashima coating, which is this gold coating that's on the whole shock. And that allows for the stanchions themselves to be very slippery and very reactive to what's happening with the shock. Now the gold on the outside of the shock here just goes along with the theme and the look of it. And this particular one we're looking at is going to have their Evolve canister. So that means this canister has some additional volume, extra volume to it. And that also means that it allows for adjusting of the tune via some tokens on the inside. And along with that Evolve canister, you're of course going to have air adjustment through the Schrader valve on the top, which is going to allow you to dial in the air pressure just using a standard Schrader valve, much the way you'd want to. Now, the neat thing here is this particular shock is going to have their 3-position damper. So this damper is going to have an open, a medium, and a firm mode. So it's not quite a lockout, but it does allow great damping control to make sure that the shock's supportive where you want it to be. And then on the Rebound side, this is actually going to have 10 full clicks. So you're going to have Rebound adjust from fast to slow. So you've got 10 full adjustments there. And then you're going to have the piggyback reservoir here, which is going to help cycle the oil that goes through the shock to help things run cool and comfortable as it's going. So that way you're not overloading the shock. Now that's incredibly important on bikes that use inline shocks and things like that, where the shock is really supporting a lot of the suspension performance. And this is just going to help that out for sure. So now that we've taken a look at this shock, let's go ahead and find out what it weighs. So we've got this down on our scale here, and we'll put it down, and it comes in and weighs 414 grams.